Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Harith Danial bin NORAZIZI.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AMRI bin ZAMRI.
Hello, my name is Muhammad IZZRUL bin SHAFIAN.
Our group has chose chapter 2, which is about correlation and regression. And today we will explain about relation between price and destination distance based on Grab e-hailing service. Recently, service like Grab have changed how people travel by giving quick and cheap rides through smartphone. One important thing that affect the price of a Grab ride is the distance you need to travel. It's important for both passengers and drivers to understand how the distance affect the price. Grab sets the price based on a few things, like how far you are going or how long the rides will take. As more people use a service like Grab, it's good to know how the distance to your destination change the price. Other things like traffic or search pricing can also affect the price. Next, I will explain about motivation. Researching the relationship between price and distance in Grab rides is important because it helps both passengers and drivers to understand how the cost of a ride is set. Passengers want to know how far they are traveling affect the price, so they can plan their trips better and avoid surprises when paying for their ride. For drivers, understanding this relationship can help them choose which rides to take, making sure they are earning enough for the time and distance travel. Grab also needs to know how price and distance are connected to make sure their pricing is fair and clear for everyone. This research can help Grab to improve their service, making both passengers and drivers happier with the price they pay or earn. Next, objective. Our objective is to analyze the correlation between the distance to the destination and the pricing structure of Grab's e-hailing service. Our second objective is to understand if longer trips result in higher price for Grab e-hailing service. And our last objective is to find variation and develop prediction model for the relationship.
Now for the methodology, I will now explain about each research design. The type of research that we have been researching is quantitative study. Quantitative data refers to numerical information that can be measured and expressed using numbers. Quantitative data allows researchers to perform various mathematical calculations like average, percentage, and other statistical analysis to interpret data and analyze pattern, relationship or trends. Purpose of the research is to analyze the correlation between the distance to the destination and the pricing structure of Grab e-hailing services. The approach that we took is by using correlational and regression analysis. The source of data is mainly from secondary data, which is from internet. The independent variable for the research is destination distance and dependent variable is e-hailing fare. The tool that we use to collect data is Grab application. The first step is to open Grab application and choose the car option. Secondly is to check the destination. Thirdly, choose your pickup point. Finally, pick your car type and look at the price given. This is example of the data that we have collected by using Grab application.
As my part is the calculation, I'm calculate the summary of X, which is equal to 1318.6 km. and summary of Y, which is a variable for the price Grab e-hailing car, which is equal to 3,151 ringgit. And then I'm calculate the summary of product between S and Y. Is equal to 250,641.6. Summary of S square, I'm getting 89,593.8 kilometer. For summary of Y square, I'm getting 530,835 ringgit. So the next slide, using Pearson coefficient correlation method for the R. This is a formula for R, and I calculate to get 0.97015. Next slide. For the simple regression equation, which is Y equal to BS plus A, this is formula for getting a B, and this is a formula for getting an A. So I calculate B and A, which is I getting B is equal to 2.43843, and A I'm getting negative 2.14247, and this is our regression equation. Y equal to 2.4384x minus 2.1441. Okay, next slide. This is our interesting finding. Summary of S, summary of Y, summary of product S and Y, summary S square, summary Y square, and this is our R coefficient correlation. This is a R square relationship 0.9412, and this is our scatter plot diagram. As you can see, this is our price in ringgit and distance in kilometer. Okay, next slide.
Lastly, conclusion. This implies that 94.12% of variation in price in RM is mainly due to distance from UiTM Cawangan Kuala Terengganu. Another 5.88% is explained by another factor like shape of terrain or price of oil. The objective has been achieved by analyze a correlation relationship between price Grab e-hailing in ringgit Malaysia and distance from UiTM Cawangan Kuala Terengganu. Thank you.